Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine. I'm a first-time mommy and I'm 25 years old. As y'all hear in the background, my son is playing right now, but I just got the shower. We about to get dressed, brush my teeth, wash my face, and blow dry my hair. Today is Friday, November the 17th, and we 1 week away from Thanksgiving. So I'm just coming on here to let y'all know I will be vlogging, get back on YouTube, trying to be consistent. I am a TikTok girl. I do love recording and recording my life. Like, I just enjoy being on the camera, and I'm just getting comfortable with talking and articulating my words and, you know, just being authentic on the camera. So I hope y'all really take me serious because I really enjoy, you know, recording myself, taking pictures, and just being in the camera in general. So yeah, if you're new to my YouTube, I was gonna say TikTok. If you're new to my YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn your post notification bell on so you can get notified of when I post a new video. So yeah, I'm about to blow dry my hair off camera and put my clothes on, and then I'm gonna come back and chop it up with y'all. Before I get my hair done,
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch. I do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface.
Look at her. Look at her, mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine.
I just turned 23 and I'm a Scorpio.
she a bad bitch.
Yeah.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby,
Yes.
I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you.
Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is hurting. Tryna make some simple change. Got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, away from all my favorites. Still wanna try, still believe me. Good days, always always inside. Good. Show me on my fears, my name.
Y'all hit me in my eye. Why y'all beat me up? What'd I do? Y'all bully me? Oh. Oh. Wow. Y'all being mean? Y'all gonna clean it up. Ooh. That's what I'm excited about. Yeah. Cornbread. Look at all this food on his plate. Yeah. What in the world? You gonna eat all that?
Yeah. A lot of things on your plate. You got a lot, a lot of things that I just cannot say is quite on my way. You bitches riding on all my waves, but you bitches tired and underpaid. And show